Hey y'all, I'm Abby, More Than Just Skin, and welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm thrilled you took some time out of your day to spend a little bit of time here with me. Today's video is one of my absolute favorite videos to watch, and it is my Amazon favorites. Now, I have already filmed an Amazon favorites back in late summer, early fall, I think it was, and I just love watching these videos. I am addicted to it because, let's be honest, I'm addicted to Amazon. I shop on Amazon constantly. It is so easy, and you really can find some absolutely great things on Amazon. So I have a whole new group of favorites. Not saying that other video, that those aren't still favorites, but these are some new things that I have been loving from Amazon. No, this is not sponsored. How I wish. Amazon does not even know I exist. But I thought that if I liked these videos, you might enjoy them as well. So if you're interested in seeing what I am currently loving from Amazon, hit that subscribe button, and here we go. I'm trying to decide in what order I want to start, and I think that I'm going to start with kind of like accessories. Now, there are some clothing items that I've gotten from Amazon that I absolutely love, a couple of different shirts, some joggers, but I think I featured most of those in my Christmas gift guide, so I'm not going to go back over and talk about those, but I do have some jewelry that I am loving, and one of them is a necklace, and it is this necklace right here. If you can see it, has the letter A, which is for Abby. And it is just so pretty. I think that this is a dupe for, I really don't know, but I think it's like a really expensive brand necklace. But I just think it's kind of a statement necklace. I enjoy wearing it. You can put it on with a solid shirt and you just instantly look kind of jazzed up. So I really do enjoy this. And yes, I got it from Amazon. I'm going to link all of these, if they are still available, down in the description box below. The next accessory item are these earrings. They are like triangle hoop earrings. I believe this same style, Uncommon James makes this same one, but these are not by Uncommon James. I actually purchased these from Amazon, and I think they were under $10, and I just love them. They're very substantial weighted earrings, and I really have been enjoying wearing these lately. Last on kind of the fashion front are these shoes right here. They are a wedge sneaker. You can get these. They are very similar to the ones that are sold at Nordstrom's for a fraction of the price. I got these. My mom got them. I just think they are great. They are comfortable, and I just love them, and you can get them for a fraction of the price at Amazon. I'm not really sure what category this falls in, but this is a Christopher Allen made me do it purchase. If you are not watching Christopher Allen on YouTube, you should. He featured these in his Vlogmas, and I instantly went out and got them. This is the second set I have. The first set, after we finished them, I passed them on to some friends, but what it is the Table Topics Question to Start Conversations, and this is the couples edition. I had the original edition. We got through those. I sent those to some friends, and these are the couple edition. What they are is just cards. Of course, there's no right or wrong answer. It's something like, how compatible are our zodiac signs? Things like, what is your favorite meal? What is your favorite music? If you could live anywhere in the world, where would you want to live? Things like that. And it's just really fun. It gets conversations started, and it really helps you get to know your partner well. And so I have been enjoying these for the past few months. I guess staying with home, I'm going to move into some cleaning supplies, and I have fallen in love with the Dr. Bronner's Sal Suds Biodegradable Cleanser. Okay, now this is concentrated. You see it's in this big container, and what you do is you can take a little bit of this and dilute it into a spray bottle, and it can be a surface cleaner, or you can use a small amount of it in your dishwasher and mix it with water, and it can be dish soap, or you can use a small amount for your laundry, or you can, what I like to use it for, and I think it's really good for, is to get stains out. For example, somehow, and I don't know how I did this, I got red lipstick on my winter white suit. I took this literally on my finger and just dabbed it on there and kind of scraped it. completely gone. Looks great. Didn't even have to take it to the dry cleaners. It did perfect. So I really do think that this is great, and I have been enjoying using this. Also on the cleaning front is the Caldre Gilded Balsam Birch Limited Edition Countertop Spray. Now the limited edition is this scent. I think they only come out with this scent in around Christmas, and I have stocked up. Jessica Braun featured this scent, and I have fallen in love with it, and I have everything this scent. This is the countertop spray. I love this. I also have the dishwashing liquid. I have the linen spray, but this is another Amazon find that I just think is great. It kind of makes cleaning down your surfaces in your kitchen or your bathroom enjoyable because the smell is so lovely. So yes, I do enjoy this cleaner. So me and my boyfriend's kids, when they are here, we take melatonin. If you take melatonin on the daily and kind of get it in your system, it helps you to just naturally relax when it's time to go to sleep, and it helps you to sleep. I also give melatonin to Finley, my golden doodle, when storms are coming or I know firecrackers are going to be going off, because it helps him to naturally relax. I am loving the melatonin that you can get at Amazon. This brand is Salimo, and I think it's just an Amazon brand, and these taste better. They're the gummies, and they are the 5 milligram ones. They taste better than any melatonin I've ever had before. So this is something that I have very much so enjoyed finding on Amazon. Another thing that I did not grab, but I take a lot of supplements. I take fiber supplements, I take vitamins, and I get everything from Amazon. I just find that it ships right to my door. It's convenient. The prices are the same as if I were to go to Target or somewhere else, and it just gets here in 2 days, and it's super easy. So I do most all of my vitamins on Amazon. Something that is incredibly new to me is a purse light. I'm really not sure, y'all, how I lived without this, but what this is a little disc, and it's censored. Like, when it senses things moving around, it lights up. So for example, I have this in my purse. I open my purse, I start rummaging around, it instantly becomes light inside my purse. I mean, wow. And that's because of this purse light. I think this is great. I don't know where this has been all my life. I feel like this would have been like the gift of Christmas if I had discovered it before Christmas. I did not, so it may be the gift next year. But I just think that this is like, I mean, how did I live without it? I really don't know, but it is wonderful, and I have been enjoying it. Something else kind of household, I should say household related, is this, I guess I should say plug-in charger. I don't know. You plug it into the wall, and your socket becomes USB, just a USB port, basically. I like this better than like the hub, because the hub you have to actually stick somewhere, and this you just plug it in, and you don't have to take up any space like on your counter with the actual hub. So I have a few of these around the house. I grabbed this one, was in the laundry room. I usually keep my Kindle cord plugged up here. I keep a cord for Apple devices plugged up here, and then maybe the cord for my charger, like my external battery. But yeah, this is just great. I have another one in the bedroom. I think I have 2 in the bedroom. I mean, it's just really great, and I think that these can't be beat. They're also great for travel because you can put that down. It's kind of flat, and so this would be great, something to keep in your travel bag. I think the rest are kind of beauty related, I will say, so I am going to start with beauty. The first item is a wooden paddle hairbrush. Okay, I've mentioned this before. And I did a whole video on the fact of how I used to wash my hair every day, and now I'm washing it once a week. And one of the ways I get by with that, and this is full of my hair, you can probably see it, is I use this every night. So I like brush my hair down to the scalp, really kind of massaging my scalp, breaking up any oils on my scalp with this brush, and then I go in with the dry shampoo. That is how I have gotten to where I can go the full week without washing my hair. So I love this brush, got it on Amazon. It was not expensive at all, and it just, the bristles are wooden, and that's the thing about it. I think that that's what makes the biggest difference. It's such a good brush. It really massages your scalp well, breaks up those oils, and it just does such a good job. So I would highly recommend, if you are trying to extend your wash time with your hair, try a wooden bristle brush, and Amazon is for sure the way to go. Next up is something that I don't think I included it in my last video. I didn't go back and watch that video, but if I did, you just know it's because I love it so much. And it is the Yes to Coconut Oil Cleansing Balm. And I have discovered this. This was also, I think, I discovered from Jessica Braun. Love it. It comes in under $10 on Amazon. It's cheaper on Amazon than it is at Target. Those are the only two places I have found that carry it. It destroys your makeup. Y'all, it's just the perfect cleanser. If you are looking budget to take your makeup off for a first cleanse, get this. Go on Amazon and get this. I mean, that's all I really need to say. It doesn't offend. I was kind of dealing with, a couple of weeks ago, some irritation on my skin. A foundation I figured out was causing skin irritation. I used this. No problem. No problem at all. This is really, really good. Next up is something that I buy in bulk, and it is wipes. And this is I think it's the Amazon brand. Yeah, it has an A on it. It's the Amazon, maybe Amazon Basics, Amazon brand. This is the Sensitive Baby Wipes. I think I got Sensitive because it's like fragrance free. I use these to wipe my hands off when I'm doing my makeup. I think it comes in a pack of 7, and I think you get that for like $10 or $11, which is a steal. There are 80 wipes in this. I think that is great. I don't use it on my face. I don't use any wipes on my face. I just don't believe in that. But I use it to wipe off my vanity, my mirrors, my hands, my makeup, whenever my makeup gets grubby looking. Yeah, and I just really love this. Okay, the last two items have been total game changers for me. I had done a video before in the past of how I get rid of the hair on my face, and it's titled How I Shave My Face. And up until I discovered the next item, that was exactly how I did it. I used the Tinkle razors that I also get from Amazon, and I have to say, I'm not totally giving those up, but this has really taken the place of it, and it is this little device right here. And I think this is called a flash, one sec. Okay, so this is called a Finishing Touch Flawless Hair Removal. And what it is you take the top off. It looks like this. When you turn it on, you have a little light, and you just go in circular motions around your face, and it gets all of that peach fuzz off. And y'all, I'm telling you, if you've never taken the hair off your face, it is unbelievable how much better your skincare sinks into your skin. It is absolutely incredible how much better your makeup looks when you get rid of that peach fuzz. You should not be afraid of doing it. I have removed mine in a ton of different ways, and I feel like I'm getting really off topic, but I've used a ton of different things. This is the most painless, and I think it comes in under $20. It is so painless, so easy to use. It's just a no-brainer. If out of all of these things, nothing inspires you to purchase anything from Amazon, and I'm not making this for you to purchase it. I'm just telling you things that I love. But this is something I believe every woman needs in her vanity. Okay, I think it's great. Along that same vein is the one for the eyebrows. Now, I just recently got this one. It is much smaller, but it works in the exact same way. And y'all, I used it last night for the first time on my eyebrows. OMG. Like, I don't know if you can see. I mean, I like my eyebrows full anyway, but it cleans them up so good, and it is so easy, and I just can't get over how great it is. So both of these things, Flawless Finish is the brand. They are just wonderful. I think it's some of the best items on Amazon. Okay, y'all, so yeah, that is my current Amazon favorites. If you liked this type of video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below the items that you can't get enough of from Amazon. What are your Amazon favorites at the current moment? I would love to see those. I mean, like I said, I just love these videos. So I hope this video finds you having a fantastic day and a great week, and I will see y'all soon. Bye, y'all.